Welcome. If you're looking to delete your email from your Instagram account, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to update your contact info for privacy reasons, or you simply want to remove an old email address. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the updated steps to remove your email from Instagram in 2025. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to delete the email. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, select Account Center. This is where Instagram now manages most of your personal and security settings across accounts. Inside the Account Center, tap on Password and Security, then choose Personal Details. Here, you'll see all your contact information linked to your account. Now, tap on Contact Info. You'll see a list of emails and phone numbers associated with your account. Find the email address you want to remove and tap on it. If you have more than one Instagram account linked, you may need to choose which account you're editing. After selecting the email, look for the option that says Delete from Instagram. Tap on this, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm that you want to delete the email. Instagram may prompt you to enter your password or verify your identity to complete the process. Once you've confirmed, your email will be removed from your Instagram account. And that's it. Your email is no longer linked to your Instagram profile. Remember, if this was your only email on file, it's a good idea to add a new one to keep your account secure and recoverable. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your Instagram privacy and security.